Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Mercedes GLE 350 and this car I will show you how you can reset, oil reset. You can see here service if I overdue by this kilometer. So I will show you how you can reset this system. Okay. First of all, ignition off and then press one time. Okay. Ignition on and then press home button. Go the trip system. This one trip. You can see here there is no option for workshop, only assistance. So go trip button and OK, and then hold this and that button twice. See 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OK, and then go back and then go there. You can see here assistance and workshop game. See, go inside. OK, go down, go assist plus, and then switch ignition on. Press switch ignition on. Okay, and then you can see service data and full service. Go full service, go down, confirm service, confirm, oil grade, select oil grade this one, and then oil grade this one, and service carried out, yes, confirm, full service, confirm, full service carried out. Okay, finish. Then ignition off and on. You can see here now there is no service light. So oil reset done. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay.